Oh, she needs a clean, like. Oh, sorry. That could have went terribly. It's been absolutely amazing summer day today. It's been one of the hottest days of the year, 29 degrees. And I have been stuck gardening and doing other bits and bobs. So I've been hearing bikes going about all day, and I've been very jealous. I've been told I complain about the council a lot when I'm on this bike, but you really become aware of how shit the roads are when you're on the bike. It's not bad when it's sunny. Give the people what they want. Oh, look at that. And that. Cheeky. I don't know if I've ever noticed any ruins before. I can't say I have ever noticed them. Get an engine, you twats. I just realised how horrible that MG is. What the fuck have you done to the back of it? I'll still wave, but I'll courtesy, but where'd the road markings go? Or did I just miss the sign? Absolute tune. I forgot that I put a lot of old music on, so we've got elements playing now. Hey up, tractor. They were really annoying me in the cars the other day, them tractors, because there was hundreds of them. I know people have got newfound respect for tractors after Clarkson's farm. However, it's still fucking irritating how they actually hold up traffic. And some of them seem to be about 10 mile away from their actual farm they're driving to. I think they've got cocky, they've stopped pulling over for 2 mile long traffic. Not a problem in this thing though. So we're in Lochmaben at the moment. I don't know who that's a statue of. So you appreciate how hard it is not to speed when the road's been this straight. Excuse me my good man, your Shogun is in my road. He must have heard me. Did you just run over the curb? You did? Jesus, they keep you there for a long time. Is it again? Road's pish. I should just be going up the side here. Wee dog. My back's louder than yours. Although I did hear his back through the helmet. And he was teeny. Oh, you'll never guess what. I've got an itchy nose. Ow, I think I just killed a midget with my actual face. Let's go back down before I lose an eye. A little pretend policeman officer. A little policeman scarecrow. I wonder if those things actually work. she knows it started. It stayed. It's back. I can open this a little bit just to pop myself in the nose. Oh, my eyes. Getting turboed and wind into them. Oh, that's a good itch, that is. God, such a nice day. And I've only been out for less than an hour. I'm not ready to go back in. Here we go. Not going back in. We'll go a wee trip to New Abbey, shall we? A wee leisurely drive. Yeah, this is unacceptable behaviour. I didn't see an indicator because you're not turning, you're doing 45. Sorry, I will sit behind them when they're doing like 50, 55, 60. But when they start braking because of the slightest bend and doing like 40, 30, I was just like, oh, fuck this noise, we're sitting here. In my opinion, a dangerous drive at that point. It's perfectly easy to do the speed limit on these roads. Chase the Igo. I thought it was an Igo X, but is it an Igo X? When the sun hit it, I thought it was a Scotland flag. Now I'm just confused. He was very nice. He didn't have to pull over to the side. Plenty of room, but he did anyway. I need to go up Greenwich Tail again, don't I? I mean, at halfway up this time, but in 28, 29 degree heat. Sack that noise. Especially with a dog that's half collie, half Bernese mountain dog. We ran out of water for a halfway up the bloody hill. So I'm going to do that again on a little bit of a colder day. That's a bike symbol. Means I can go. Oh no, that one didn't have an engine. That's a shame. So if I welded pedals to my bike, if I just had static like pedals, does that mean I would count as a pedal bike? Or at least partly enough to get through traffic lights? I shall Google this later and find out. Not that I will be welding pedals to my bike unless they're about that size. That's a nice breeze now. Like, you! Stop mucking up the fucking road, some of us have got to be on it. So here we are in New Abbey, another little village outside of Dumfries. I think that's Sweetheart Abbey there. Quite an impressive abbey. It's a shame it's got all this crap around it. Head back to my wee dog. She'll be roasting. It's her first season, she's in heat right now, so she's very clingy. Very, very clingy. Sorry buddy, I'm trying not to noise up your street, but it's the bike's fault. It's not Ryan's fault. Ryan's innocent. He's trying to be nice and considerate and not sounding like a low-flying aircraft. But the CBR, I mean, what can I say? No. Where did yous come from? Where have yous been? That is a question for someone else to answer. Oh, that is lovely now. This is perfect biking temperature. I've got work in the morning. What a beautiful day it's been. Oh you fucker. I may have sat back and my wrist accidentally hit the throttle and I wasn't holding on properly. Don't do that. Don't be this guy. Sorry, I was looking at the colour of that Audi. Minging! No traffic lights, I'm coming. Very slowly. Oh no, he's went to red. Ah, nice. Thank you very much, lights. Why, hello there. Hello. I'll be there in a minute. He's hanging out. You just chilling, Maple? What you want? I'm coming in. Hiya. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's right, just headbutt everything I've got. Yeah. Oh, good girl. I need to get my stuff off, Maple. Thank you. Yes. I'm being unnaturally patient right now.